Listen to this. You can hear the rain.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor, Long Island Sound west of New Haven, CTPORT, Jefferson, New York. Until 5:15 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 35 knots, 7 nautical miles north of Upper New York Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Little Neck Bay around 5:05 p.m., Manhasset Bay, Execution Rocks, Mamaroneck Harbor around 5:10 p.m., Hampstead Harbor around 5:15 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, and New York Harbor.
All right.